Welcome back to another video. Today, we will use the amazing Partition Wizard from Minitool. But before we go through all the fantastic features, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Partitioning your hard drive is essential for organizing data and optimizing performance. One of the key features of Minitool Partition Wizard is its ability to resize partitions. With just a few clicks, you can expand or shrink your partitions to suit your needs. Say goodbye to the hassle of reinstalling your operating system. You can merge two or more partitions into one, freeing up valuable space and simplifying your storage layout. It also supports advanced operations like converting file systems, recovering lost or deleted partitions, and even securely wiping sensitive data. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started with our demonstration. First of all, we need to download the software. Head to partitionwizard.com. You can get the link in the video description to download yours. Click at the top right corner of the page where you see the Download Partition Wizard button, and then click on the edition you want to download. For this demonstration, we will use the Pro Edition. Thanks to Minitool for providing the key for this demonstration. Now, install the software. While installing it, you might notice that another tool that goes by the name Minitool Shadowmaker is going to be installed. This is not part of the Partition Wizard, but it's a great tool to back up your device. So upon installing and launching the software, you will arrive at this main screen. You can find the disk information in the middle right part of the window, while the Actions menu is located on the left. The Action menu changes depending on whether you select a disk or a partition. If you right-click on a disk or a partition, you get a variety of options. You can resize, delete, split, and merge partitions, for instance. Let's see how easy it is to resize a partition. Right-click on a partition and select Resize. Use this bar to resize the partition according to your needs. Just move the cursor left or right and click OK. Now, you can perform this operation by simply clicking on Apply located at the lower left corner of your screen. Let's use the Extend option now. Right-click again on a partition and select Extend. What this will do is to extend the current partition by using the free space from the next partition only. Again, you need to apply the operation. Next is the Merge option. As the name implies, you can merge two partitions. Just right-click on the partition you want to merge and then select the partition to use for the merge. The two partitions will become one. Remember to apply the operation again. You can easily split any partition in half by selecting the Split option. Easy and fast. If you want, you can change the label of the partition too. Select the Change Label option and rename the partition. Another operation that you can perform is to check the file system for errors. Once again, right-click on the partition and select Check File System. This will check the entire partition and it will try to correct any errors. It might take a long time depending on the type and speed of the drive. I have installed this drive which has multiple partitions. To delete all of them, right-click on the drive and simply select Delete All Partitions. What do you guys think of this tool? I think it's very easy to use and manages disks effectively. Do you find it easy too? If yes, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button now. And don't forget the notification bell too. Your support will help this channel grow and keep making more and better videos. Stay tuned. Now, back to our demonstration. Besides the partition management, you can also perform a variety of disk management actions. Let's start with the surface test where we will test our drive for read or write errors. This might take a long time depending on the type of the drive and its capacity. For demonstration purposes, we will speed up the video from time to time. Okay, our disk seems to be fine and working perfectly. Now, let's wipe the disk completely. This is a very long process. Again, it depends on the type, the capacity, and the speed of the drive. There are many cases where you need to wipe the disk this way, and the most usual is when you are replacing it with another one and you don't want to keep it. This SSD is 240 gigabytes and it took almost 6 hours to get completely wiped. We used the slowest method provided by the tool but the most advanced one. We also get the option to copy partitions or even entire disks. Just select the copy option and let the tool do its magic. This procedure is often called disk cloning. I will copy an entire disk just for the demonstration. This action took almost 30 minutes to complete. Last thing for today is the ability to perform all the operations without using the host operating system. This is done by creating a bootable media. To do that, click at the top right corner, the Bootable Media option. Select the bootable media you want and create it. I will use the ISO option, and for my bootable USB I will use Ventoy. Link in the description. Okay, now I will boot from the USB and use that ISO. You will get the exact same screen as if you were using the tool from within Windows, and you can perform all the operations needed. If you are an IT enthusiast or professional, you must have come across situations where resizing a partition is very difficult, if not impossible. This tool makes sure you will not face situations like that. Personally, I love it, and it has helped me a lot in everyday tasks. You can give it a try the next time you need to resize a partition. The link is in the video description. That's the end of this video. If you found it useful, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell too. Thank you very much for watching.